This shock off a YZ250F 2004. I'm going to disassemble it and show you how to put it back together. First, what we want to do is loosen this lock up so we can take the spring off. And you can just grab the spring and loosen the spring up. So I'm going to use this, I found it easiest to use this wood chisel. Just tap it a couple times and it'll loosen each side up. So right now I'm letting the nitrogen out so I can push the head seal down and pop that retaining clip out. Getting these clips out can sometimes be pretty tricky, but with some patience, just you'll get the flathead under there and be able to pop it out. So then I'll get this jug to, once you pull the head seal out, you can dump the oil out into. Sometimes they get stuck, so I found it easy to just tap on that ring at the bottom and it loosens it up. So now you need to push the bladder in to expose the retaining clip. And just remove it the same way as you did the last one. Just get a flat head and pop the retaining clip off, and then you can pull the bladder out. Now there is a tool that you can screw onto the Schrader valve to help pull the bladder out, but if you don't have one of those, I recommend just getting some sort of towel to protect the bladder, and you can use these vice grips and just pull it out slowly. Then dump the remaining oil out. So now we'll take the dampening rod and remove the bottom So get a wrench on the top nut, and then what I used was a vice grip. Cover it again with a towel so you don't scratch it up to loosen up the bottom. So I'm loosening up this nut, and then that'll free up the bottom of the dampening rod. And what I'll do is hook this top nut up to fully unscrew the bottom. Alright, so we'll need to loosen this bottom nut to remove the bump stop, the dust seal, and the oil seal. Just remember what order to put these back on. Pretty much just clean everything up, and I'll show you how to put it back together.